Fall discounts explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a common phrase you might encounter in English, especially during certain times of the year: fall discounts. Understanding these terms will not only expand your English vocabulary but also help you grab some great deals. The term fall refers to one of the 4 seasons in many parts of the world. It's also known as autumn and is characterized by falling leaves, cooler temperatures, and the transition from summer to winter. In the context of our phrase, fall indicates that the time period being referred to is during these autumn months. Discounts are reductions in the regular price of goods or services. They are often offered by stores or companies to attract customers. A discount might be a percentage off the original price, a fixed amount less, or other special offers. When we combine these terms, fall discounts refers to special price reductions or promotions offered during the autumn season. Businesses often use this time to boost sales by providing attractive deals. It's a common marketing strategy in many English-speaking countries. Let's look at some examples. A clothing store might advertise 25% off all items, fall discounts. An online shop may have a banner saying, exclusive fall discounts on electronics. A travel agency could offer special fall discounts on holiday packages. These examples show how the phrase is commonly used in advertising and marketing. I hope this video helped clarify the meaning of fall discounts and how it's used in everyday English, especially in the context of shopping and marketing. Keep an eye out for these deals during the autumn months, and happy learning! See you in the next video.